Hello and welcome to day 21 of this Trusty Trader Combine. Today is the 20th of February 2017, President's Day. So we finished at 7 p.m. here Central European time. That's midday Central Standard Time or 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So we took 6 trades today. I'm going to try and make this quick, as brief as possible because I got the kids downstairs. 6 trades and ended up with $109.17 after commissions. I did put into action the things I discussed in the Sunday stats video, and as a result got some gains on what is rather a muted trading session, so I'd expect to have made perhaps double or more of what I made today on an average session if this were another session. So let's go through the trades. We got 6B. This is what I saw. Let's put on the highlighter. 1, not like that. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, rolling over in pace. I checked the volume, divergence, got in here on this reversal candlestick, and then managed it according to the rules. Moved to break even, and then got out sooner than I would normally get out, simply because A, we were coming to the end of the day, and B, you got to adjust your standard rules for a day such as today. So this is an exception. You know, volume's low, market's muted, so I reined in those targets and I took 1R on this trade. So that was 1R on 6B. Then we had, and this isn't in chronological order, I'm just going in order of instruments. So then we had 6C, got in here, stopped out here. Could see, you know, volume again showing divergences even after I had been stopped out. Well, not a divergence against price, but this spike and this candle told me that I could try again. So I tried again, moved to break even when I should have, and exited here for, on this, what is on this instrument, quite a big gain. And I believe that was, yep, that was 1.8R, which ironically, this is the instrument that I'm supposed to expect less, and I got the most on this one today, from here to here. Obviously, in retrospect, there was a lot more to be had, but that's trading. So that's 6C. Then 6J, the one I expect the most of, I got the least out of. Went from 41.5 to 48, that's 1.3R. Stopped at break even. 1.5 again on a reconfirm, all the way up to 50, which is 8.5 for your 5, which is 1.7R, and then I gave all that back as well. There just wasn't a way out that I could see. In retrospect, if I was taking the day into account, I might have found a way to get out of here, but there really wasn't much of a way out. I suppose I could have got out at 48, which would have given me 1.3R return. So yeah, perhaps if I was around I could have got out at 48, but I was doing my exercise, I believe, at the time. Then came back in time to take it off for essentially break even, 1 tick in favor. 0 here, and then before going to bed last night I also took this short, which unfortunately stopped me for +1 tick here as well before dropping off. So that was that was 6J. Again, this is utilizing a bit of the momentum reversal strategy. You can see here 1, 2, 3 with the volume to boot, and got in here, held, and it just went nowhere. Like, this is the day. So can't really expect much from that unless you're going to shrink your targets and so on, and I didn't do that here. So that's what happened there. And then finally we had, I think that's it actually. There was nothing on YM to be had, so I left that, and that was the day. So 1, 2, 3 break-evens really, some of which that had good mass favorable excursion, but I wasn't able to profit from based on the rules. 1 loss and 2 wins to leave me with $109.17 on 6 trades. So that's around 2R divided by 6, so that's around 0.33, about 0.28 R per trade expectancy. So 0.288 is about 0.28 expectancy, which is fine as long as you can get the number of trades up, the number of N, then that can work. The only thing I don't like about this way of trading is when the inevitable losing streak does happen, it takes back a larger number of hours, days, or even weeks of work when it does come, and then it takes more certainty of strategy and secure self-assurance to be able to push forward. But I'll deal with that when it happens. So for now, this is the mode of trading. It's still a positive reward to risk ratio, and today's not a great judge. And in fact, I've got a decision to make whether to cancel this combine or not. At this point, I think I'm just going to carry on and see if I can pull out of the drawdown, because the fact that if I reset, I'll have to trade another 10 trading days is a bit of a setback. So I'd much rather be free of the time limit and just trade my way to target, even if I am 2.4 grand away from the target right now. But that can easily change in a week or 2 or 3. So I'm going to focus on long-term consistency. If need be, I will reset, and that's that. So that's it for now. Like this video if you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you back at probably tomorrow on another daily review video. So take care and bye for now. Fingers.